カエルがクロールしてるぞ。
何？
そっち側に待ってから。見てみろ。
Front crawl? Is that like a legit swimming move?
A train?
Yeah, we were.
Oh yeah, we saw that at the end, but like, I gotta see where this goes. I don't know if we're just not supposed to ever look at the. What was that? Linga lunga langa linga. Dude, I love honestly that the animations have leveled up. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah. I wonder what today's episodes look like. Let's see.
Unless there's someone turning the sea to ice underneath, which that is clearly not happening. So.
What is this frog? The frog.
Dude, Oda's actually crazy. Yeah, who thinks of shit like this?
Cat?
This is a train station. On the sea railway.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
It must be so hard to go to push that because like the resistance.
横綱はあれくらいじゃ死なないわ。このシフトステーションの悩みの種なのよ。力比べが大好きで、いつも海列車に勝とうとすんの。
Oh.
現れるわよ。正気だって何度も破壊されてるし、あいつが出てくるたびにお客さんに大迷惑かけてるの。
Oh, wow. What's his deal?
Yeah.
俺あいつ食わねえ。頑張り屋は俺食わねえ。初めからそうしてカエルなんて。そんでおめえら一体どこへ来てんだい？
That's not a cat.
春の女王の町セ
Let it be a cat. Boo.
美食の町プッチ、カーニバルの町サンファルド。どこも。
Dang, there's a lot of cool places.
Dude, I wanna hang out here.
私たちは船があるから列車には乗らないわ。ログに従うだけ。
へえ、どこ指してんの？
ここから東の方。
そうか、そりゃおめえウォーターセブンだね。
Water 7.
その島のブルーステーションから来たんだよ。いるなんてもんじゃないよ。
Oh, are we gonna get our next crewmate from here?
Oh, maybe.
It
Who would
has been a minute.
be? Girl, guy, animal?
It's gonna be a guy.
Why?
Because the last two have been girls.
So?
You have to mix it up a little bit.
Dude, there's more guys than girls.
アイスバーグってやつに渡して
Iceberg.
船を直しても
Are we gonna get a new ship?
が広いからね、迷わない。
That reminds me, I need to buy more One Piece ships to build. I feel so happy. Let's go to a new place.
It's my favorite part of the show.
Yeah, discovering new places.
Yeah.
案外早く水の都につけるかも。
だったらいい。
Dude, a city of water plus fucking Iceman, not a good combo.
バカか大工だぞ。
腕がありゃ誰
What was his name? Aokiji?
I mean, I guess they keep saying he.
いるかどうか。
地図の場所に行ってアイスバーグという人を訪ねれば。なるほど。
なるほど。
こういうやつをみんなで探すんだ。
5 meters?
だから俺は逃げる。
滞在期間1週間分のお小遣い渡すから。マジで？わあ、俺一番。
Are we gonna learn about
Yeah, are we just
Her?
gonna like.
それもわかるが、特にグランドラインに入ってからメリー号への負担はそう。
Dude, he looks like Jack from
船底の水漏れもひどい。
Nightmare Before Christmas.
このままほっときゃ船も俺たちも危険だぜ。
島だ。島が見えたぞ。
Let's
look
go!
Let's go.
All their faces.
すごい。
すごい.
Oh shit!
Wow, this looks beautiful. This kind of looks like Havar.
Kinda does.
Like the buildings.
興味深いわね。噴水から水
Or
分
like Venice.
海に流れ落ちているようだけど。
Dude, this might be my favorite one.
絶対嫌だ。
アホ抜かしてろ
My favorite place.
あ、そっか。
海賊が堂々と正面にいちゃまずいぞ。向こうの裏町へ回りなさい。
I feel like this is based off of Venice.
すごい。水上都市？すっげー。いいなここ。
Right? City on water. The architecture looks so much like Italy.
It does. There's
And
a
she
cafe.
said she mentioned a name Pucci, which is like Italian, I think.
Coffee lounges.
Isn't it
Dude.
perfect for us,
ここは
Boo?
ダメだ海賊船は。それならこの先に岬がある。とりあえずそこに止めるといい。
I
Yeah,
can't.
they seem
Why are they
kinda
so?
friendly.
Yeah, they were really friendly. No way. Okay, well, I mean, they're getting repaired anyways.
俺はただロープを引いただけ。
He's or is he getting too strong now?
Oh, I think it's supposed to show that too. Yeah,
来てたのがゴーイングメリ
it's
ー
both.
あんたたち私についてきて。
どこに
Oh, new shoes.
まずは心さん
Oh,
の
we're out
紹介状を持ってアイスバーグという人
心
その人を頼って船の修理の手配とあとどこか黄金を監禁してくれるところを探さなきゃ。そらきっちり直しとけよ。
He just has to hold that up.
あ、なんとなく行きそびれちまった。
He always gets.
I know. Oh,
本屋だな。
that's me and Teddy.
金に変えても価値一緒じゃねえか。
Dude, I love the animation. Like even the coloring, the shading on the
私た
face.
ちもモテるもんね。
今の言い方お前トゲがあるぞ。俺が持ってるとダメみたい
We've
じゃね
come
え
a
か。
long way.
The outlines, yeah, everything. The small details.
お前らなんだ。俺を信用してねえのか。
Dude, this is
今の痛く傷ついたぞ。
いらっしゃい。ブルだね。何人だい？
3人。
何ブルに
He doesn't even know.
僕はヤガララブかキング。まあ3人ならヤガラ2匹ってとこでいいかな。俺は大したもんだよおめえな。
oh boat, little boats.
知らなかっただろ。ここは水の都。
Oh, that's cool. They're not boats. They're like the thing, the little
ブルは
fishies.
生活には欠かせねえ乗り物さ。この島を観
Wait,
光
this
する
is
にも
cute.
二人乗りのヤガラ
Dang.
2000ベリーだ。
They're like seahorses.
この野郎。
They're literal seahorses.
ああ、気に入られたな。そいつにしよう。
They're cute.
その荷物か。中身は何だい？
Don't say it.
面白いな。まあ何にせよ大丈夫。
They don't even believe him.
Oh!
Ooh.
正直なおっさんだな。あんた軽々しく人に見せるな。
さて、ヤガラブル2匹で100万ベリーだよ。
He just said it was 2,000. But now that he sees the. Oh my god.
バレたか。
油断も隙もね。これでいよいよゴー
Damn, I'm excited for this little journey.
Right?
ル大工もな。ワクワクしてきたぞ。当選所まで突っ走れ。
Dang.
Okay, Water 7, here we go! Dude, they're even playing soccer, football. My bad.
This is neato.
Yeah, this is definitely.
住宅地みたいだな。
ワンちゃん。
Dude, I like
おっ
this.
さん、
They're playing
何がいるん
chess.
だ？観光かい。
船を直してもらいに造船所だ。
This might be racist, but he looks Italian.
裏町商店街。
Oh man.
Yup.
しかしこの町はよそ者に寛大という
Yeah,
か
why
ら
is
しい
everyone
と
so
いうか。
nice?
おい、鼻の長いの。
あ、
なんでもね。あ、読んだだけだ。
殴るぞおっさん。
This town seems so normal too. Like a normal ass town. Like they literally just came from an island in the sky.
Yeah. Ooh, this is
Damn.
fun. Dude, I wanna go to a place like this.
Waterfall? Drop. It's a drop.
そうか、ここは坂のてっぺんだ。面白い。面白い。
They're gonna land in water.
Dude, what's that? Oh, a shopping area.
Dang! It's like a little mart.
Shopping! Dude! This makes me want to go to Europe. Oh.
Oh, that's a king one. Must be. I think I would want one of those. Oh, shit.
Huh? Whoa.
Nani?
食の町のコックたちがお忍びで買いに来るほどの一品、身も心もとろけちゃうだろ。
It's made of water? Everything is made of water.
Is that what they said?
I don't know, but
Or is
I'm-
it like a method of cooking? Or like how, like, because he said it's soft, so maybe.
よく見ると街中にいるみたい。あの仮面の人たち。
Oh, they're like masking like their emotions, like they gotta like look like they have everything together and they're like happy, but they're not. Is this a shipwright?
No, this is
No,
pirates.
the other one. The one that he's talking to. This guy.
Oh, Robin and Sanji. No, that's not. Not even close.
はい、アイスバーグさん。一番ドスクのお客
Oh, that's who they're after.
お金は払えないと。セクハラですね。
まあセクハラだな。
That's who they're supposed to meet up with, right? Iceberg.
I guess so.
Oh, why do I look like Mihawk?
Mihawk's brother.
Dude, fuck these guys.
あまり職人をからかうもんじゃありませんよ。
Thank you.
あ、失礼。てめえ、周りをよく見てから動きやがるってんだ。
Oh, shit.
ああ、失礼。
Or is it this guy? Or this guy?
Dude, there's so many dope shipwrights here.
Which one is it?
It's gonna be that one. Oh my god.
Dang,
Damn!
squad.
Dude, they...
Squad.
海賊の道理が曲がり通るわけやねえでしょ。
Dude, who's gonna be the new fucking crewmate? That's all I wanna know. We should make a bet.
No, stop betting me.
I don't have a problem with betting.
造船工場
Clearly.
ウォーターセブン中心街へ参ります。食い物が決まった。
Dang, that's cool. Then it pushes them to the top.
こうして
Nah.
Wow.
That's really cool.
That's actually. Is that like a real thing?
Yeah, that's such a cool design. If it's not, dude, and Oda came up with that, that's fucking insane.
あ、いいねよ。さっきチョッパー
Aw.
で買い物に行くんだと。
I like music like this. It just makes me like so happy.
I like Luffy's laugh.
Like that?
Yeah. It feels so authentic. Like the VA is actually happy. There's even like a haze for the sunlight.
Yeah.
It's like bright.
It's like glowing. There should be a One Piece world, like an amusement park.
I
With
know.
like different.
But it'd be too big.
Yeah. Like it's like a resort that you would have to stay and like explore for like a week.
ルルがいるぞ。渋い。
Oh, everyone knows. Dude, it's Freddie Mercury.
I know.
It has to be Freddie Mercury.
No, he also looks like this actor who always plays like a gang member.
なんかあったのか。
ガレーラカンパニーの船大工たちは住人みんなの憧れの的さ。強くて腕があって。
Dude, they're sick.
You see?
Yeah. And his nose looks fake. It looks like wood.
Pinocchio.
Yeah.
ちょっとルーキー。
Robin, Chopper.
Nah. An old man with a pipe fishing.
受ける場所もあるんだ。
Oh, I like her outfit.
So do I.
ああ。
She looks like she's part of the Matrix. Yeah, what's up with the masks?
ここ100年見たことのない美しさじゃ。
な、サンジがいっぱいだ。
Dude, the mask.
Right.
うわ、あれなんだ？
仮面屋さんね。癖なの。子供の頃から人の顔色を見て聞き耳を立てて生きてきたから。
Did you read that?
No.
That was very important.
たちが話してるから。
そんなのよく聞こえるな。
癖なの。子供の頃から人の顔色を見て聞き耳を立てて生きてきたから。
すげえな、ロビンは。
It's a big deal. Remember that.
やっていいか？
They're like a talking team.
もちろん入りましょう。
やったー。
Aww. What is going on here? Though?
Yeah, this is.
Oh, who are you? Someone from the past.
CP9 です。
ロビン、先に入るぞ。
That's it? That's all
What
we're
the fuck was that?
Hello?
CP9 this.
ならいいかな。
That was really weird. And she was like frozen, it looked like.
あれ？
Is Robin gonna be gone?
Yeah, I guess so.
ロビン？
But did Robin follow that guy? Dude, that was so weird. Was he talking to her?
Yeah, I don't know.
Or did she just overhear him? Oh, there's so many questions. Shut up, Ron. Watch. No, Zorro! Fuck, dude. Of course this
That's
would
what
happen.
I said. It's because he's sleeping.
He's still gonna fuck these fools up, right? There's a lot of them, actually. In a sleep. Ting. Dude, he's so fucking cool.
寝込みを襲ったつもりだったよ。
誰だてめえ
Dude, Identify yourselves. I fucking am
Dude, it's
already
funny.
hyped
I
about
know.
this fucking arc, dude.
There's a lot here.